Honda Ranger. It's got power steering, automatic, four-wheel drive works. You've seen it out there on the bank. The front brakes does not work. The rear brakes does. It's got the luggage rack. It's got some right here. They repaired some poly on here, there, and right here. Got your luggage racks. You got your lights working on it. The tires are not too good. A lot of tread off the tires, but it's a good runner. It's got power steering. It's very nice on that. Very easy to operate. No title. 17 model.